Welcome to Processing Product. You are at the beginning of a journey. You arrived here because you're curious. You know you like making things, you know technology can help you build cool stuff that people find fun and useful, and you want to know how all this adds up to a successful career in tech. That's what we're going to talk about in this course. I'm personally very excited you're here because I think product management is one of the most fun and adaptive roles you can play in our current economic system. In practical terms, product managers sit at the nexus between business leadership, which is how decisions are made, engineering, which is how things are built, and user experience, which is how people interact with what gets built. Product managers are generalists, translating between the needs and language of different teams across a company or organization. And in this course, we'll talk about practical skills that you'll need on a day-to-day basis to be a great product manager, and eventually, a product leader. The future of tech is incredibly unpredictable. How will AI affect jobs in journalism and media and any job, honestly? Which programming language is going to be in fashion 5 years from now? Is virtual reality or augmented reality a better bet than web or mobile apps? How many people will actually put a computer chip in their brain? That is a real thing. Literally, no one knows the answer to these questions, but the techniques of product management apply to all of these different technologies. We're all players in the money game, and it's up to us to find work and create work that is meaningful and hopefully even inspiring. Product management is one path I've found through the maze that I think is a fruitful one. So let this course serve as an entrance, a threshold that you can cross into new possibilities for your life, for your career, and for the communities you will serve through the work you do. So let's get started with Product 101.